Leena's broken day.
Hello, my name is Leena, and I live in London. I am 7 years old. Usually, my days are fun and happy, but today was different. It was a day full of surprises, some nice, and some not so nice. Let me tell you what happened. I woke up at 7 o'clock, just like always. The sun was shining, and the birds were chirping outside my window. I stretched my arms and said, "Good morning, world." But when I got out of bed, I saw something strange. My favorite doll, Lily, was lying on the floor, and her arm was broken. I gasped and picked her up. "What happened to you, Lily?" I whispered. I looked at my little brother, Sam, who was playing with his toy cars nearby. "Did you break Lily?" I asked. Sam looked at me with big, innocent eyes and said, "No, Leena. I didn't do it." I didn't believe him, and said, "You always play with my doll when I'm not looking," I shouted. Sam started to cry, and my mom came running. "What's going on here?" she asked. "Sam broke my doll," I said, holding up Lily. But Sam kept saying, "It wasn't me." My mom hugged Sam and said, "Let's find out what really happened." "Don't jump to conclusions, Leena." I felt a little upset, but I got ready for school. At breakfast, my mom made pancakes, but I couldn't enjoy them because I kept thinking about Lily. Who had broken her? At school, I told my best friend, Anna, about the doll. "I'm sure it was Sam," I said. Anna nodded and said, "Little brothers are so naughty." Later, we had a math test. Anna and I sat next to each other. I noticed Anna looking at my paper. She was copying my answers. I whispered, "Anna, don't cheat." But she just smiled and said, "I'll get in trouble if I don't." I didn't know what to do. I liked Anna, but cheating was wrong. At lunchtime, I sat with Anna, but I didn't feel like talking. "Are you angry with me?" she asked. "I'm not angry, but cheating isn't fair," I said. Anna looked sad. "I'm sorry," she said. "I was scared I'd fail." I forgave her because she apologized, but I told her, "Next time, try your best. It's okay to make mistakes." When I got home, I was still worried about Lily. I decided to check the room again. That's when I saw something shiny under my bed. It was my toy train. I remembered I had played with it last night, and I must have knocked Lily off the bed by mistake. "Oh no," I said. "Sam didn't break Lily. It was me." I went to Sam and hugged him. "I'm sorry for blaming you," I said. Sam smiled and said, "It's okay, Leena. Let's fix Lily together." At dinner, I told my family about everything: the doll, the test, and Anna. My dad said, We all make mistakes, but the important thing is to admit them and learn. That night, I felt happy because I had fixed things with Sam and Anna. I hugged Lily, even though her arm was still broken. "I'll always take care of you," I whispered. And that was my day. A day of mistakes, lessons, and love. What about you? Have you ever blamed someone unfairly or forgiven a friend?